Easy ways to lose arm fat. Bodily issues like flabby arms or arm fat can make you feel insecure about your appearance. Please note that arm fat is an issue across all genders and not just women. Yes, flabby female arms might be looked upon as being unattractive, but among men, it is associated with falling fitness levels and lowered virility. Arm fat is a part of body fat, so your diet does matter. You need to cross-check your diet patterns. Sometimes, arm fat is a result of genetics, which means that you have an inherent tendency to gain flab around the arms, which means you need to be even more careful about your eating habits. Avoid fast food. Avoid foods high on trans fats and those filled with empty calories, like sodas and oversweetened candies. Eat systematically. Ensure that you stay away from eating later in the night, as it doesn't give the body sufficient time to properly process the food and evenly distribute the nutrition. Get your fiber. Foods high in fiber help to dispel metabolic waste that is impacted within the intestines and can induce hormonal problems that might be causing weight gain around the arms. Exercise sensibly for shapely, toned arms. The idea is to exercise the arms' muscles, making them work harder on a daily basis so that the adipose tissue is gradually broken. The best arm exercises are those that can stimulate all types of muscle fibers in the arm. This is best done by combining different ranges of weight training, including medium, heavy, and lightweight training.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Triceps extensions. This is an overhead exercise where you need to grasp a dumbbell in one hand and raise it over your head and move it in a sideways manner. Push-ups. This is the typical, old-school exercise that is very effective in strengthening your entire torso and arms. You can get started with wall push-ups and then gradually progress towards floor push-ups. Keep your arms closer, and you will be working out the triceps more. Triceps kickbacks. This exercise is meant to target the passive, upper arm. You should be half bent forward with your dumbbell holding hand parallel to the floor. Every time you extend the loaded arm backwards, the triceps get worked in the most effective manner. Combine these with basic cardiovascular exercises like fast walking, jogging, running, and biking that help to burn body fat. Swimming is just about the most ideal exercise for stretching and toning your arms.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.